Hi, this is Brian Pash, and I'm excited to announce today the winner of this year's AWA Lighthouse Award winners. But before I announce who they are, and that's plural, I want to give you a background on the history of the Lighthouse Award. It's the only award that we announced prior to the AWA award ceremony. This year will be March 10th, starting at 6:30 at the ARIA Hotel, where over 200 automotive leaders and entrepreneurs meet to see which products and services win the coveted AWA awards and the pinnacle, the Vanguard Award. But each year, we try to recognize the thought leaders, the educators, the change makers in the automotive industry that have worked to selflessly improve the automotive industry, and the list of previous winners since 2009 is quite impressive. It's the who's who of automotive influence. This year, we are so excited to do something slightly different and to recognize a team of women who are truly doing some groundbreaking work in the automotive industry. And so it's with great pleasure that we announce the 4 winners of this year's Lighthouse Award are the 4 founding partners of Women of Color Automotive Network. Would you please give a great round of applause to Patrice Banks, Amanda Gordon, Erikka Wells, and my good friend, Kerri Wise. I'm so excited to recognize these women for their boldness, for their vision to do more with the women of color in the automotive industry, an underserved group of entrepreneurs and leaders. This year, we recognize these 4 women for their groundbreaking work, for their willingness to stand up, and to work to change the automotive industry for the better. So congratulations on this year's Lighthouse Award winners, and we will be presenting that Lighthouse Award at the upcoming award ceremony. That's March 10th at 6:30 at the ARIA Hotel. You can purchase tickets by going to awa.autos, and then on Thursday evening, all of the winners will be updated on the website. So if you can't get out to Vegas and you want to see the best products this year and the awards that they've received, just go to awa.autos on Friday morning. It may even help you with your NADA shopping list. So if you're going out to AWAs or if you're going out to NADA, make sure you see who are the winners so you can adjust your shopping list. Once again, we want to thank those 4 founding women from the Women of Color Automotive Network. It's a great year of change and a great accomplishment for all 4 of you. Thank you.